Today I'm making air fryer ravioli. First I have a pot of boiling water. Add your favorite ravioli to the pot and cook it according to the package directions, and once it's done cooking, strain it and add it to a bowl. Next I have my breading station, so in the first container I have flour. The next container I have 2 eggs and a splash of milk. I'm going to mix that up until it's combined. Then in the last container I have some breadcrumbs, some grated pecorino romano, and some garlic powder, and I'm going to mix that up. Now I'm going to take a ravioli and dip it into the flour, dip it into the egg, and then cover it in the breadcrumb mixture and then place it in this bowl, and then repeat the process with the rest of the raviolis. Now I have a liner in my air fryer. I'm going to add the raviolis into the air fryer and cook this on air fry for 400 degrees for 7 minutes and turning them halfway through. Now that the raviolis have cooked halfway through, I'm going to flip them over and let them cook on the other side. Once the raviolis are done, I add them to a plate, and here's an up close look at the inside of the ravioli.